ring the bell and search on our video. Welcome to our family!
Hi everyone! Welcome back to our channel! So today, pupunta kami ngayon sa waterway. So, expired na kasi yung aking phone. So, re-renew ako ng contract. So, yan. Kasama natin si Jaden, si Alden, and Maiden. So, si Daddy bumalik sa bahay.
Not a black thing. The black thing.
It's they saw it's eating one.
No, it's a
Tapos na tayong tapos na kaming mag-renew ng aking phone. So, nandito naman kami ngayon sa pet shop kasi bibili kami na ng tawag dito? Ng gamit para naman sa amin, fish tank. Kasi yung fish tank namin kahapon siya, yung tubig niya, hindi siya biglang huminto yung pump niya. So, kailangan namin palitan yung pump namin. So, kailangan namin bumili ng bagong filter.
So you need about 2.5 ml.
The pump.
Like this, 5 ml. So up. You put water, you put it up. Okay.
Medyo maliit yung dito, ang space dito. Is that one? Is it? Oh, diba? So big. So, meron ditong iba't ibang klase ng ng vacuum. Oh, this one looks like more bigger. Then saw this dog, and then she say, "Oh, like dog? Huh? Do you like dog? Papa? Papa?" Sarap lang na may anak na babae. Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa ramen na palagi namin kinakainan. So, ayan.
Today, what side you want?
Maiden.
Today, what side you want? Today, don't have the
Ngayon,
monkey.
siya ngayon?
What other side?
the one that goes.
Mostly
This one
parang
don't have. This one don't have.
interesting na siya pag lumalabas kami. Kapag meron siya nakikitang bagong mukha, ayan, you say, hello.
Oh, chicken cutlet.
Can I have this?
Yeah.
Papa.
Oh, you want the fried tofu?
See, Papa, you know the.
You want the chicken cutlet?
So, ngayon scan to order na siya ngayon.
Okay, fried chicken.
Ayan, ito yung ambience niya, maganda.
I get a fried chicken. Then you'll drink ice lemon tea.
Okay, the pen. Yeah. The mega edition. A pen?
Na? Mama.
The mega edition.
Mama. Mama. The drink is here. Ready. Ayan. Lemon tea.
Oh.
So, yung dalawa is
My lemon tea is good.
homemade lemon tea. Daddy, how do you think? Share.
I thought you took the giant
So, ito na yung chicken,
No, the giant sotong later will come over. That one is the side.
The one with
The crispy sotong, right?
see.
What do you mean by giant?
You know this is still the same place.
No change already, anak.
That's why the noodles also different. The noodles very big.
Okay, careful, careful.
This one is the fried chicken
Okay, just put that.
and 2 cuttlefish.
Okay.
I'll clear the menu for you. Then you can more
Yeah.
space to.
Pass to Coco.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay.
Okay, today this one the chicken is yours.
Oh, Napakabilis ng kamay. So, ito yung sa kanya. Yes, nice. So, wala akong ganang kumain ng aming, ng noodles. So, ang in-order ko is fried rice with the chicken chop and gome. Set na siya. Set siya. Oh, nagtitingin kami ng walker for Meme. So, ayan. Kasi parang gusto niyang lumakad. So, ito lang yung mga available na walker nila. Ayun, tinatry na. Pinapatry ko kay daddy kung okay ba siya. Simple lang siya. Pero grabe, ang mamahal ngayon ng walker, ha. Nasa ano siya, oh. $99. Simple lang siya, ha. So, okay. So, we choose this one, the B-Joy.
Maybe one.
Maganda din siya.
Yeah, same one.
It's the same one.
No, this one look more different.
Ito, meron din silang ganito, oh. Meron silang ganito. 179. Pero, parang hindi naman din siya ganun kaganda kasi sobrang mabigat siya. Parang feeling ko hindi makakagalaw yung bata. Ito, medyo light. Yan. So, meron din silang ganito, guys. Ayan. Ito. Ganito yung sa hipag ko, pero hindi ko siya gusto. This one only stand, yeah.
Only a stand.
You can make this one a table, but I don't like this one. Yeah. Yeah, kick. Stand. I want the baby can move. Then this one, just nice. Pwede mo siyang i-keep. I-keep mo siya. Okay, so ayun na. Ito yung mga stroller. Last time, gusto kong stroller. Ganito lang yung same old ng stroller namin sa dalawang bata. Kaso naman, ang binili ni daddy, yun na itutupi. Ito yung binili ko kay Meme. Meron akong binili sa kanya na yung butterfly. Ang ganda rin nun, ah. Pag magwa 1 years old na. Diba? Cute. So then, oh. Ang ganda niya, oh. So, gusto ko yung mga mga ganyan. Cute. May mga pacifier dito, kaso si Bunso, ayaw naman niya. Maganda sana na pacifier, oh. Ayaw naman ni Bunso. Ito din looks nice. Ito ko sa inyo. Ito, oh, ang ganda niya. Happy Packy. Magkano siya? $10. Kaso, baka hindi siya magustuhan ni Bunso. Masayang lang. Meron siyang mga ganito. Yan, ganyan. Kaso, ayaw naman niya. Nice card. She don't like it. Yan, membership. Ito ang gusto ni Bunso, mga patotong. Yan. Mga ganyan. Oh, yan. Ito yung mga gusto niya patotong. Malalambot, soft. Yeah. Like a nenepok. Yeah, ever since siya nang gamit namin. Abent. Iniisip namin ni Daddy ibili yung mga bata ng ganito. O, naka-promos lang $89. Where's Daddy? Oh, Daddy there. Okay, so ayan. Tapos na tayo pumili ng gamit ni Bunso, ng walker niya. So, magaganda din yung mga gamit doon. Diba? Chop tayo ng dolls. So, ayan. Tapos na. So, maglalakad-lakad muna kami dito ni Daddy. It's a nice. Uh-oh! Why you never give to Mommy? Peekaboo! Say, Mama! So, ayan. Ito yung binili namin na walker for maiden. So, yung name niya is B-Joy. Love it and be joy. So let's unboxing that. Yeah? Do you like?
She never see it. She's sleeping.
Yeah, you have a new walker.
Now you can follow Mommy anywhere.
Oh no!
What is it? Go straight inside.
Okay,
Okay.
let's put one side. Ayan, ganyan siya kalaki.
Dami yung iPhone.
Okay. There's 4 wheels, the front wheels are the turning one.
They have the lid.
Wow.
Yeah, you hold like that.
So look at the push.
It means.
Energy.
Then this one for to stop. Oh, meron siyang stopper.
A different length.
Is it different length or same? All same?
All same. I thought I saw it the same. But this one, where is the hole? This one?
He looks happy.
That's not he, it's she.
I said she.
She, not he.
I said she.
Nagpa-practice na siyang lumakad. Oh, ang cute. Ang bilis na niya lumakad. I mean, yeah, but using a walker. Oh. Hi! Okay, kanina nung nasa Seleita Mall kami, nag-ano ko. So, ito yung last na ano. Ayun ako. Si Bunso naman ang nakakuha. Yeah, I catch that one.
You find another. You catch another.
Yes, I catch that one.
This is for you.
You see? Oh,
Cool.
cool, right?
I see. I see.
Yeah, it's cool, right?
Yeah. The way have the ears.
Right?
Yeah.
It's more cute. The difference is ito. Meron siyang para siyang paw ng pusa. Ito naman, ganito. Yan.